just here on a Sunday. These row of houses here, I don't know if you can remember, we did these 4 in a row 2 years ago. So 110 just moved out. So let's go have a look. How do you expect your homes to be left 2 years, someone living there? So let's go have a look and see if it's up to your standards. So back in the car now, what were your thoughts on that? Is that how you'd expect that? Is that what some of your tenants leave it at, which is great? Is that what some of your tenants probably moan about, saying, oh, but we've lived here for 2 years, so it should be more dirtier or cleaner, whatever? But what are your thoughts? How do you normally find your homes after 2 years? Remember, this was 2 years ago, 4 houses in a row, 4 1 beds, 4 2 bed flats. So it'd be great to hear your comments. Let me know.